Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about Chinese government scholarship Southeast University. So Southeast University has changed their process. So what changes they change? So we will discuss in this video. In my previous video, I told you that CSC Southeast University don't have fee, and you send your documents to the university, but they change their process. So in last video I tell you something else, and this will change. So come here, csguideofficial.com, and open Southeast University. Click here, CS scholarship admissions, and find it Southeast University. When you find it Southeast University, so the changes which changes which happened, so we will discuss this. This university have just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 31st of March is that 2020 is the last date. And how you apply for this scholarship: first you fill CSC online application form, and after filling CSC application form, you must fill university online application portal of Southeast University. So in last video I told that you don't need to apply on university portal. You just fill CSC online application form, and no need to pay application fee, and you just send your documents. So but in this case you must pay a 400 RMB application fee, so university application as well. How you fill the university application form: click here and open it. Okay, I will tell you in this video that how you fill this form and which changes has been required. So click here to apply on CSC application for portal. This is the bank account in which you deposit the fee. Okay, click here to apply on university portal. How you if you want to in this video I will just give you the demo how you fill the university application form. But if you want to watch the complete video, click here to how to fill the university application form. And what documents required for this: all these documents are same, but in last video police certificate of no criminal record is not present. So in this video they must have required certificate of no criminal record. So I will also tell you about official announcement. So before going to the official announcement, we will go to the university online application portal, fs.seu.edu.cn. Open it, and open the link, and make an account and click on online application. For my application has been already in process means filled in, so I delete it. After deleting it, I click on application and select master student. When I select master student, then I select Chinese master student, okay, in English. So when you click on that, don't click on major, and when you click on apply, I will go back. So I will just give you the demo how you which documents required. So I click on view, but when you fill the form, you click on edit option and go to your and continue your application. So click on view. When I click on view, you can see passport, photocopy of passport, officially certificate of highest diploma, the previous stage of transcript, 2 recommendation letters, IELTS. They just mention IELTS, but in last time my friend got admission in this university. My friend got university admission in this university. So he just have all English proficiency certificate, study plan, physical examination form, certificate of no criminal record means police clearance certificate, and recommendation acceptance letter from the tutor. If your application is going to submit without uploading acceptance letter from the tutor, then it means it's not necessary to upload acceptance letter. But if your application will not be submitted, then it means acceptance letter is mandatory. So it depends on you, either your application is continue without uploading acceptance letter or not. Okay, all the forms are same, all other forms the same. If you want to fill, how you fill this online other application, all the other application form, you can click here to watch this video in English. If you want to video in Urdu, then click here. Okay, now I'll just give you how about official announcement. I click on official announcement here. When I click on official announcement, so you can see here this is the official announcement of this university, but they don't a little bit confusion in this announcement. So 31st of March is the last date, and all these other documents required for this for this application. Okay, so you click on home. When we click on last time which I make video, I click on home option. When I click on home, you can see I click here, Chinese government scholarship, Chinese, everyone click here. That's which show you the options, Chinese government scholarship, Southeast University CSC sponsored program. Click here, I'll click last time I click here, and this is the process that how you apply for this. So they mentioned that 31st of March is the last date, and I make video according to this situation, according to this announcement. So there is no police clearance certificate, and they not mention that you must pay the application fee. So that's why I make a video on this section. But you don't click here, you click open this website and click on application instruction for postgraduate at Southeast University. When you click here, you can see the instructions like this. Okay, so these are the things, and this is the official announcement in which you can see apply on South University application portal, pay the application fee. If you want to apply for CSC scholarship, please will also apply on CSC application system, study in china.edu.c, and the application code of South University is 10286. Okay, this is the announcement. So I hope you this is the acceptance letter format. If you get the acceptance letter from the professor, then and your format is not like this, then ask your professor, please change acceptance letter format. Otherwise they also tell you, they are told in few days that make a acceptance letter format like this. So you already prepared your acceptance letter format according to this which I downloaded, but it's not been opened yet. So I click again and click on again, it's clicking. So this is the application form. So make your acceptance letter format according to this. If your acceptance letter format already making according to this format, then it's okay, no need to change it. Okay, I hope you understand it. This is the form of Southeast Application University. So it's another discussion. So in the next video I will tell you how you apply for Southeast University scholarship. But because still they don't announce any Southeast University application scholarship yet. So hope so you like this video, and you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel, and visit our website, cscguideofficial.com. So this is the address detail in which you send. You must also attach, so but no need of address form and other things, just online apply. So hope so you like this video. Everything will be clear. So again I give you the demo. Demo means I give you the overview how you apply for this. Okay, just stay with me. So just online apply, no need to send hard copies, pay the 400 RM application fee. You must also apply on university portal as well. First you fill CSC application form, university application form, then fill university application form, pay the application fee, and that's it. No need to send hard copies. So that's the main purpose of this video. Good luck and take care of you, and visit our cscguideofficial.com website, and meet you in the next video. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.